Welcome back to our channel where we take a look at some of the most popular private jets and helicopters and dive into their features. The short list for ultra-long-range, purpose-built business jets have been very short indeed, consisting of the Bombardier Global 7500 and Gulfstream's G700 full stop. Now there's a third entry into the premium category, known for offering the longest ranges, fastest speeds, and most high-tech, ergonomically advanced interiors, the Dassault Falcon 10X. The Falcon 10X is gathering quite attention from all over the aviation industry. So how much do you know about this upcoming aviation sensation? Here are 10 things you didn't know about the Falcon 10X. Before we get on to that, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. It helps us a lot with the YouTube algorithm and lets us know that we are helping to enrich lives out there. If you are into aviation, have a look at our new aviation compilation channel, Aviation Central. It is the first link in the description. We would highly appreciate it. And without any further ado, let's get on to the video. The first and foremost thing that you have to know about the 10X is that it is aiming for the top. When you look at the top spots for the ultra-long-range business jets, the names that you come across are the Bombardier Global 7500 and Gulfstream's G700. With the Falcon, 10X Dassault is looking forward to changing that scene of the current aviation industry. Touted as the new benchmark in business aviation by CEO Eric Trappier, the Falcon 10X is going toe-to-toe with its competitors from Bombardier and Gulfstream. It was designed based on customers' demand for an ultra-long-range Falcon. "We're building more comfort, range, and possibilities," said Paul Florek, Dassault's Senior Vice President of North American Sales, when the 10X was announced in May 2021. "We will offer a passenger experience that is unrivaled on the market." Falcon seemed to make quite a bold statement, knowing the facts that owners tend to be tenaciously loyal to their chosen brands, which means even trick new features aren't necessarily enough for Dassault to persuade Bombardier or Gulfstream owners to switch teams. But Dassault CEO thinks combining innovative technologies, luxury customizations, and greater internal volume would put them at the top of the business jets. Well, the fact about the internal volume seems to be quite true. The Falcon 10X's cabin is its greatest asset and beats any jet from Gulfstream or Bombardier in size. The G700's cabin tops out at 6 feet and 3 inches tall, by 8 feet and 2 inches wide, while the Global 7500 has a comparable 6 feet and 2 inches tall by an 8 feet cabin. Dassault, with its 6 feet and 8 inches tall by 9 feet and 1 inch wide cabin, will give customers more room to stretch out and gather design flexibility without making them pay up for a Boeing or Airbus private jet. Flexibility is like the motto of Dassault when it comes to the 10X. Dassault's interior design team has constructed the cabin to be modular and easily interchangeable. With this larger size, the Falcon 10X is able to accommodate up to 4 cabin zones of the same length, but owners are given the option to configure the internal layout to suit their needs. So owners can reconfigure their cabins easier and cheaper than with competing planes. The flexibility in the cabin won't just allow the owner to keep things fresh. It will allow future owners to craft the aircraft how they want it, without having to spend extra. The Falcon 10X may also beat out its competitors in terms of natural light in the cabin. 38 windows across 4 zones, which can be customized with lounges, office space, or a bedroom with a shower, are designed to provide abundant natural light. Like to be in the same atmosphere as your penthouse? Well, Falcon 10X provides you with the same experience. Almost as close to the ground as a penthouse apartment with many of the same amenities would be a better fitting sentence. An unseen enhancement of the Falcon 10X is its cabin altitude, which is the altitude at which the passenger perceives in the cabin, compared to the actual height of the aircraft achieved through the use of pressurization systems. An unseen enhancement of the Falcon 10X is its cabin altitude, which is the altitude at which the passengers perceive the cabin compared to the actual height of the aircraft, achieved through the use of pressurization systems. The Falcon 10X will also have the option for a shower to be installed, completing the feeling of a flying apartment or hotel room when coupled with a bed in the aircraft. Business travelers using the jet, for example, can get off a long-haul flight and go right to meetings well-rested, showered, and feeling reduced side effects from the flight. Make sure to watch to the end, as we will be talking briefly about the power, performance, and the awesome engine. When it comes to technologies, most of the advancements are implemented into the flight deck of this super advanced jet. The flight deck of the Falcon 10X creates an environment that every pilot would just love to be in. One of the Falcon 10X's most important developments is in the cockpit, where increased automation is making it easier than ever for pilots to handle adverse conditions such as severe weather and see through the clouds. The new bird, which is capable of both high and low speed flight, also offers pilot-friendly features like Falcon Eye, a combined vision system for identifying obstacles during takeoff and landing in poor weather, touchscreen controls, and dual heads-up displays that serve as primary flight displays. Furthermore, the Smart Throttle comes with a protection feature that allows the pilot to press a button and automatically transition the aircraft to a safer altitude and speed if they are disoriented or in case of turbulence. The flight deck is designed for simplicity and reduced workload. There are fewer switches plus touchscreens throughout. The piece of hardware that really makes the Falcon the monster that it's supposed to be is the pair of Rolls-Royce engines that will push this thing along. The Falcon 10X will be powered by two Rolls-Royce Pearl 10X engines, which is capable of delivering more than 18,000 pounds of thrust. The engine is Rolls-Royce's most advanced and efficient engine under development. Pearl 10X is the third and most powerful version of the company's Pearl engine family. It was designed in partnership between Rolls-Royce and Dassault. The new engine combines Pearl family architecture with innovative new technologies to improve the efficiency of the aircraft's propulsion system. In terms of speed, Dassault's jet has identical stats to the G700 and Global 7500. The twin-engine design was a response to increasing customer demands for more sustainable propulsion. With this modern design and power plant, the Falcon 10X is capable of hitting a top speed of Mach 0.925 once it reaches cruising altitudes and a low-range cruise of Mach 0.85. The 10X's maximum range of 8,631 nautical miles matches that of the G700 exactly, though the Global 7500 outpaces both by 200 nautical miles. All three can make New York to Beijing or Los Angeles to Sydney, non-stop. Carbon fiber composites seem to be the current pinnacle of material engineering and are being used in all manner of products. For an aircraft as innovative as this, it was a no-brainer. The engineers at Dassault Aviation leveraged the lower weight and superior strength of carbon fiber composites when crafting the Falcon 10X's wings, tailoring them to maximize speed and efficiency. Its wing is made entirely of carbon fiber composites, a first in business aviation and a true technological leap forward. The combination of advanced materials and design results in the extremely handy ability to take off and land on shorter runways. As we enter the last part of our video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Leveraging its experience in making fighter jets, Dassault says the 10X has been endowed with next-generation military technologies that give it the beating heart of a fighter. Dassault has been the undisputed leader in advanced flight control systems for military fighters for decades. These solutions include the Falcon digital flight control technology that make the plane extremely easy to handle. In 2005, Dassault revolutionized business aviation by introducing digital flight control technology in the 7X, further refining it from the 8X and 6X. Now, Falcon Digital Flight Control System, or DFCS technology, leaps ahead again, continuing to lead the industry in precision and confidence-inspiring flying. Despite being one of the largest business jets, the Falcon 10X can still access typical airports serving business aviation, even those with challenging approaches. Falcon aircraft are known to have superior performance when it comes to accessing smaller airports, largely due to their unique aerodynamic capabilities. London City Airport in the UK, Santa Monica Airport in California, and Semedan Airport in Switzerland are three that are notoriously tricky to access. This is achieved thanks to Dassault know-how in manufacturing precision and quality, structural robustness, and an unbeatable combination of high-speed and low-speed performance mastered for years on the immensely strong Rafale fighter wings. You can expect to purchase a Dassault Falcon 10X for $75 million and get your own by 2025 earliest. Well guys, that's it for this video. Click the links above to check out some of our other videos. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. We have many great videos coming up. See you in the next video.